ebandleni laKristu Jesu. Abantu people are pushed, but this person will tell you to work it out yourself. Amen. Awenzela kuye umuntu bese uncoma nje wengane yakhe usukuya umuntu umtshela asithi ubenconya uvelezane bala wena mangishimali ngifuna into zokuncoma zabo yahluka into leyo okay so yentemaza into leyo but insindiso bazane is yours and do it ifeze. Amen. Hamba lendini wazi namhlanje na sithelwe ngani ukufeza insindiso yethu. Where you are supposed to be there. Ayibo amen. Mefuna unikele do it. Mefuna uhambe ekwenze because it is yours and because uJesu ilindele ukuthi practicalize it. When successful, but saying something so kulela kusikara wena na noto I'm done my days kalisafu. Amen. All that I'm saying to you bazalwane yenze lento iphile kuwena. Ungalandela. Amen. I made an example last time kwahle ukuthi safunde esikoleni esithize e-university. Kwathiwa mengezele fasting kube khona abalunguzayo phezulu sahlale ebhidini lokuthe isenyokthi khona abalunguzayo besithi uyikiwe dani ngona uthi obana abangabiphiwe bayodla abalunguzile yonke sekuhlangene ukuthi ubani bengafastanga kade eyodla. You don't have to go that route. You do your own salvation. You manage it, you practice it, bazalwane. Amen. You do your own practicing of salvation. Work out your salvation. Fezani usibusa wenu uwesaba na ututumeni. All this misabayo bazalwane uNkulunkulu not babukeso, not mamukeswa, not umholo abasha, but usababane uNkulunkulu. Let me close ngale this. The same book, but chapter 3, it says the same language. And saying Julia chapter 3, verse 7. Same chapter, same book. Kanti-ke lokho okwakuyinzuzo kimi ngakushaya indiva ngenxa kaKristu. Yebo impela konke ngishaya indiva ngobukhulu bokumazi uKristu Jesu inkosi yami engilahlekelwe yikho konke ngenxa yakhe. Ngikushaya izibi ukuze ngizuze uKristu ngifunyane kuyena ngingenakho ukulunga okukwami. In closure bazalwane, ufezane ukukholwa wenu kumbantakanisa naleya passage ekufana ngayo manje ukuthi uma ngempela uyimisele ukufeza insindiso yakho wenza leyanto eshiwo uPaul ethi konke okwakuyinzuzo kimi ngakushaya indiva ngenxa kaKristu. Niyazibona inakho bazalwane ave siningi izinto ezimnandi leminyaka nezinzuzo ngithini nezingama benefits ngithini, but because of ufezana insindiso yenu esishayile bazalwane bami. Ethina amen. So zonke izinto nezingama-priorities ethu. But mevuka ivesi lafezami ukusindiswa kwenu, we forget about those things. Some of those things zilethe imali, siphile kahle. Some of them senze ukuthi siqume kahle la ngaphansi kwabantu abakhulu. Some of them senze ukuthi amagama ethu ahlonishwe. But mawucabanga ngofezane ukusindiswa kwenu, lezi zinto zishaya indiva bazalwane, because we want to make insindiso practical. Amen. I'm not saying don't go to imsebenzini, kashiwe siyasebenza, we run business ecaleni for impilo, but there are times la ufuna khona ukuthi I must prioritize the things of God, then others come. Amen. Namkubona Matthew 16, so 6:33. Funani kuqala umbuso kaNkulunkulu. Amen. Nokulunga kwakhe. Then zonke lezi zinto zizokwenzeka kini. In other words, ours bazalwane